Greetings. It is me, Markov Yuri. Today, I will talk about the farting sound effect from a crew chan. This sound effect is heard twice. It's from a video called The Gassy Announcement / Dash a Fart. It was uploaded on February 2nd, 2022, which is 2 years ago. The duration of the sound effect is 0.42037. The female cockney voice will be removed at the beginning, and the low theme music will be removed at the end. Now I will show you the first part of the farting sound effect. It sounds like this. See, this is how the first part of the farting sound effect sounds like. Let's move on to the second one. The second duration of the sound effect is 0.41 to 0.56. The low theme music will be removed at the beginning and end. Now I will show you the second part of the farting sound effect. It sounds like this. See, this is how the second part of the farting sound effect sounds like. This sound is only used when I poop in the toilet. I need to use the bathroom. Ouch. I think my poop is stuck, and it won't come out. Ow. I need to push. Whoa. I feel so much better. The first part of the farting sound starts at 0.04 and ends at 0.56. The total seconds are 33. The second part of the farting sound effect starts at 0.41 and ends at 0.56. The total seconds of the second part are 15. Remember kids, make sure you use these sounds for your bathroom break videos, okay?